Morning, I am Coimbatore Tirumala Sitarpidam Sivayagi Sivarajan speaking. In water level is going down in Bangalore. To reach that, water harvesting may be better, because when the water level went down in Tamil Nadu, Jayalalitha ex-CM, she implemented water harvesting techniques for all houses and made it compulsory for houses, institutions, colleges, etc. And it yielded a very good result. The water level increased. Since the water roads and everything was concretized, the water obtained due to rain goes waste by going to sewage and all this. So if harvesting is done, and that a hole for the length of 6 feet should be dug, and some stones etc.